Hello guys, this is Liquid Ocelot, and today I'm going to be talking about how to increase comment engagement from your YouTube subscribers. So first of all guys, you know that YouTube is very is telling you guys that we need engagement from your subscribers in the form of comments and likes, dislikes, etc, etc. And this is a very big issue, because if you don't get your subscribers to engage with your content, YouTube will just de-rank your videos, and you will lose a lot of important views, ranking issues, all issues will come. So what I'm going to be showing you are two tips that will boost your comments from your subscribers on your YouTube videos, on your YouTube channel. First trick is make sure that you have your Discord server based on your YouTube channel. So I made a mistake guys. I had another Discord server, and I made a Discord server very late for my YouTube channel. So the thing is, once you make your Discord server for your YouTube channel, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube how to make a Discord server. I'm also planning to make one. So once you have a Discord server set up, your subscribers can engage with your content. And also the most important thing over here is not really the announcement section where a bot can set all your videos as soon as they are uploaded. The most important section is the suggestions one, video suggestions one, and here they can tell you, your audience, your subscribers, they can tell you which content they would like to see in the future. The second method is related to YouTube, and the second method is very simple. You can use community tab to engage with your YouTube subscribers, but I am skipping this one, and I am going to be showing you an advanced method. What you do is go to your dashboard under Studios, YouTube Studios, and there you see these recent subscribers. So click over here, see all. Once you are on this page, click on date subscribed. So I'll click on this one, and now I see the recent subscribers that I have been having. So I can just hover my mouse over this channel that has subscribed to me, Gallagher, and I'll go to his YouTube channel. And what I'm going to do is I am going to watch his videos, one of his videos, and comment on it. So what this will do is increase my communication with this one of my subscribers who is very important for me, and I can engage with his content, and I can encourage him to come and check out my new videos. So I am just going to show you as an example to Oli Gallagher, one of my YouTube subscribers. You make quality content and is very entertaining to watch. I am really a big fan. I am really enjoying your videos. Thank you so much. So this I have written in the discussion, under the discussion, and I'll comment with him on the discussion tab. So what this will do is also I can go to his videos and comment on his videos. What this will do is encourage him to engage with my content using comments, and the gap has been broadened limited, minimized between me and my subscribers. And this is the main trick. This will help you help your subscribers come close to you if you start communicating with them, if you start appreciating them. And the other methods, of course, if somebody comments on your videos, you have to give it a heart, reply to that comment and appreciate that person because he took his time to comment on your video. So guys, these were the two main methods, and please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. If you have another method that is better, also share that method with me. Take care, my friends. I'll be signing off.